Hello everyone, AmandaSushma here and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing these beautiful sunglasses from EyeBuyDirect. Fabulous. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I just really like their glasses. I have a whole playlist of prescription glasses that I've gotten from them, not sunglasses, like regular glasses with prescription, but these ones are sunglasses with no prescription, so just keep that in mind. But I do like their prescription glasses, okay? All right, so these are the Jolie frames. They are a cat eye shape, and I mean, they just look so fabulous. Wow. So they're $35, they're cat eye shape. And then on the side, so this front part is all black, right? But the side has this like nice ivory tortoise type of design on there. So they have three options. This is one of the options. If you choose black, you're still gonna get this ivory tortoise color. So keep that in mind. I actually didn't pay attention. I didn't notice that. And I just vibe with it. I like it. It like adds to my extraness. I just feel like a little bougie girl. What? A plant in the clearance? Where is it? That's what that makes me feel like. So the other two patterns you can get this in, one is the classic tortoise looking one, then another one is like a dark brown tortoise, but those two, this part is in tortoise, it's not black. So this is the only one that has like a simple black front, and then the sides are like ivory tortoise. I really wish they would come out with like an ivory tortoise one like all the way through. I feel like I would vibe with that, you know? I am a boring basic girl, so I did get these in just like the simple like dark gray lenses. And people always ask me what lenses I get. I get the standard lenses. It's probably, I think, one of the cheapest ones they have, so that's why I get that. The material for this is acetate, which is a slightly, it's like more stronger than regular plastic, but you kind of feel it and you're like, oh, this is plastic, but it's more durable than plastic and a little bit more flexible, which is great for glasses. And I have ordered like regular glasses, like prescription glasses I need to wear all day, and they've been acetate and I haven't had any of those ones break, so yeah, I love this. You know, it's just something about these cat eye shapes, like switch up your shape, because when I wear my like super Harry Potter circle glasses, I'm like, oh, I'm so cute, I'm like a little smarty girl. But then when I wear this, I'm like, don't mess with me right now. Okay. And I like using glasses as like a hair accessory as well, so something like this. I'm sorry, what did you say? You're out of bread? That makes no sense. I'm so sorry. I have to go somewhere else. No bread. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe it helped you, you know, want some cat eye glasses. And if not, I have a whole playlist on different shapes and stuff, so definitely check that out. They're actually all from EyeBuyDirect because I'm like, I don't know, I'm someone who doesn't want to change where I get things from, and they don't pay me or anything. I'm just like, I just don't like change, like, yeah. And I do have a code where you can get $10 off, and if you use it, I will also get $10 EyeBuyDirect credit to buy more glasses and review them for you. Yeah. I will leave that link below, and wait, you have to spend like, you have to at least spend $15, so your purchase has to be like $25 or $26, and that's when that code will be used to get $10 off. Okay, but sometimes they have really good sales by themselves, but if they don't have a sale, use my code. Help a girl get some glasses. Okay? Okay. Do I look like Keanu Reeves? I hope you guys enjoyed that video. More to come. And if you liked it, please subscribe. I would super appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.